Hey guys, Kevin here from Orlando Hinge Company and Superior Fenton Rail of Melbourne, Brevard County. I just want to do a quick rundown of how we measure for uh, slopes on a gate, rack gates, and how we go ahead and get those measurements so we could order them. Yes, there's other ways to do that other than what I'm showing here. My goal here was to be consistent with the sales reps. Got 4 or 5 sales reps running around getting these measurements. We need to make sure everything's consistent. Everybody's doing everything the same way so that when we order the gates, we know everything's going to be consistent. From an installer's point of view, yes, there's other ways to do it, whether you're using a regular level, whether you're putting a piece of wood across and putting a level on top of that, whether you're using a line level. Yes, there's different ways to do that. This is how we do it to try to be accurate. Basically, all my sales reps have a little laser level like this. The goal is just to find where level is coming across the property. So we'll set that up, make sure that's balanced out and level. Green typically shows up better than red outside. So we already marked out where this gate's going to go. This is a 5-foot opening. This is where the customer wanted the gate. It is a pretty good slope here, so we wanted to make sure we got a gate to fit. This is typically for aluminum gates, chain link gates. If we weld up a wood gate frame with that rack on there, vinyl, obviously you can make it out here in the field and where it's going to match the rack. So what I'll do is I just get an old picket or something like that, something white where the green shows up better. We already have this marked, 5-foot opening. This is where the customer wanted the gate. So we're just going to hold this up here at the top side. I'm going to come find my line here, which is right here. Going to mark that. Bring this over here to the low side. Here's my line right here. Going to mark that. All we need to do, take my tape measure. You can see these two marks here. All I need to do is measure in between the two marks. I got 6.5 inches. It's my second video. I got the same measurement both times. So that's important. So now what we do is when we go to order the gates, we just tell the manufacturer, or if we're making them in-house, hey, we got a 6.5 inch rack over 5 feet. Pretty consistent, making sure, all the sales reps are doing everything consistently. I think that's all I got today. So thank you.